At Howard University, warm weather is not the only thing that accompanies the settled spring. As finals are steadily approaching for students, stress and anxiety are working their way in. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, 80% of college students say that they frequently experience stress every day. In fact, HERE, UCLA's Higher Education Research Institute, explains that the emotional health of college students are at a record low because of less socialization with friends and more responsibilities in their workload. But is the heavy workload of students the only thing to blame?
I would definitely say for me the most stressful thing would be balancing work and play. Teachers tend to rush at the end of the semester to get into the syllabus and complete what they have to get done.
The most stressful thing about spring is definitely finals and our last test.
In fact, the Stress Management Society says that alcoholic beverages and foods high in sugar and fat can trigger and aggravate stress, which are both large parts of many student diets. Luckily, there are easy ways to manage stress. 30 minutes of cardio 3 to 5 times a week is a convenient way to stay relaxed.
Yeah, after working out, I tend to feel a bit more energetic. I have more energy. I don't need to take a nap. I just feel like I can start fresh, like I'm just a new person. My blood's flowing. I can start thinking. Everything just starts to work, you know?
Bird Gymnasium is home to a cardio room that is usually filled with students who are eager to take a load off of their busy day. As you exercise, endorphins are released throughout your body and act as a natural painkiller to stress. Make sure you work out as much as you can. Reporting from Washington, D.C., Umarah Mughnee, Howard University News Service.